Understanding debit card zip code lookup.
Hello, today we're going to demystify debit card zip code lookup. We'll understand what it is and go step by step on how you can use it. So let's jump right into it.
What is a debit card zip code lookup?
A debit card zip code lookup is a security feature associated with card not present transactions. It involves matching the zip code provided during a transaction with the zip code linked with the cardholder's billing address on the bank's file. This helps to prevent fraudulent transactions.
Why is debit card zip code lookup necessary?
Security is paramount in our digital age. A debit card zip code lookup is essential because it helps protect against fraud. When a zip code doesn't match with the bank's records, the transaction can be flagged or declined, which can save the cardholder from fraudulent activity.
How do I use a debit card zip code lookup?
Using a debit card zip code lookup is straightforward. 1. During checkout. After you've selected your purchases and you're ready to check out, you'll often need to input your card details. 2. Enter card details. You'll usually be asked to provide your debit card number, expiry date, CVV, and your billing zip code. The zip code should be the one associated with your debit card. 3. Verification process. Once you input your details and confirm your purchase, the system will use the zip code lookup to verify that the code matches the one linked with your card. If it doesn't match, your transaction may be declined. Important. Always ensure you're using the correct billing zip code associated with your debit card to avoid any interruptions during your purchase process. There you have it, folks. That's your crash course on debit card zip code lookups. It's a simple yet effective way to protect your card against fraud. Always remember to keep your billing information up to date with your bank to ensure smooth transactions. Hope this video was helpful and clarifying, and until next time, stay safe.